just saw the most terrifying thing I saw in my entire life. I'm outside right now. It's like 7 p.m. in Australia. If you're in America, it's 7 a.m. right now. If I'm correct, if I'm incorrect, then guys tell me in the comments if I'm incorrect. But I just saw the craziest thing outside. There was a wombat chasing a shadow. I'm not sure if I saw that correct. I'll go close to where I saw it. I'm not sure if I saw that correct. There's no wombat there. He's gone. He's literally gone. Oh my gosh. Oh, what was that? Oh, my foot. My foot hurts so bad. Ah! Oh, something just kicked my leg. Project Master. Is that you? Is that you, Project Master? Project Master? Is that you? I don't know. Get off me! Get off me, bro! Get off me! Ow! Bro! Stupid wombat! What's that for? Nah, guys, I have to get out of here. Am I living in an alternate universe or something? I feel like it's not nighttime. Like, I just found this on the floor. It's all chewed up by a dog, if you can see that. Oh no. Oh no. Run! What? It's not nighttime. Let me just close that door. What was that, guys? I'm inside and it's not nighttime. Who said that it was nighttime? I feel like that was in my dreams or something. Oh, guys, I'm getting the shivers. Oh, who said that? I'm grabbing this lightsaber I saw on the floor, just for protection. Who said that it was nighttime? What? Who said that it was nighttime? I'm so confused. What? Guys, send this video to your friends, like it and subscribe to my channel, make this video go viral and see what people have their opinion on this video, because that was just crazy. Also, I'm not sure if I saw Project Master or Project Master was in that. Where's my lightsaber? I was holding it and it just fell. Not on the floor, is it? Is it on the floor? I'm on my bed right now, guys. Don't see it. Where is the lightsaber? Guys, my day has been so confusing. Oh my gosh. What? Guys, I'm not sure if you heard that. There was such a loud car noise. There was literally such a loud car noise. What was that? What? What was that? Huh? What was that? Guys, I did not do anything. My chair... What was that? What? Guys, my chair just fell on the floor without me doing anything. My chair just fell on the floor for no reason. Same as my lightsaber. It just made a weird noise. What? That's so weird.